Now let's check firing pin protrusion and build the bolt carrier assembly. Pretty simple if you've got the right tools. Measuring firing pin protrusion is pretty straightforward with the AR. Start by inserting the firing pin in the bolt. Now zero the firing pin protrusion gauge by loosening the set screw and pressing the gauge against the flat surface. Then retighten the set screw. Measuring the gauge with a caliper should give us a reading of 900 thousandths. With the firing pin fully seated in the bolt, loosen the set screw and press the gauge against the bolt face. Now tighten the screw and measure again. Subtracting our first measurement from our new reading gives us 30 thousandths of firing pin protrusion, well within the acceptable range of 28 to 36. Now insert the bolt into the carrier with the extractor to the right side. Align the cam pin hole in the bolt with the cam pin slot in the bolt carrier. Install the cam pin into the carrier with the head lengthwise along the carrier. With the cam pin fully seated, rotate the head 90 degrees. The cam pin should move freely in the cam pin slot. Insert the firing pin into the rear of the bolt and push it as far forward as possible. Insert the firing pin retainer into the hole on the left side of the carrier. Make sure the retainer is fully seated in the recess. Pull on the rear of the firing pin to make sure it's secure. Engage the tabs on the charging handle with the cuts in the carrier raceway, sliding the charging handle in slightly. Now install the carrier, pushing it all the way forward.